Hey guys, welcome to Miss Vegan's Kitchen. So my favorite thing ever is buffalo wing sauce. I love it on cauliflower, I love it on quesadillas, I love it in sandwiches. And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna make a buffalo chicken dip. Hello, yum, let's get started. Okay, so first up, I've preheated the oven to 350. Now while that heats up, let's chop our celery stalks. Okay guys, let's start by cooking our chicken. Okay, so our grilled strips have been heated. What we did is we took them out of the pan and now we're going to shred them up a bit. Okay, so once we shredded our chicken, we want to return it back to the pan. And what we're going to do is we're going to add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of our butter. So now, let's add in our cheeses.